Hello! Guys, welcome to TechFix. Today we have an iPhone 6 with a charging issue. So as you can see that the switching of this iPhone is not normal, which indicates that the U2IC is the issue. So now let's go ahead and replace it. Now we're going to take off the metal shielding cover of the charging area section. As we have taken the shielding cover off, it's time we replace the U2IC. Now we have taken out the U2IC. So now we're gonna clean the soldering pads of U2IC. Now we have cleaned the pads, it's time to install the new U2IC. Now we have installed the new U2IC. It's time to check the switching of the motherboard now. Now as you guys can see that the switching is back to normal again. It's time to check the charging amperes now. Now as you can see that the phone turns on normally and the charging amperes now is 2.0 to 2.2, which is normal. Now it's time to put the metal shielding cover back onto the motherboard that we took off to replace the U2IC. Now we're gonna put the motherboard back into the phone and do the final charging tests, and everything is back to normal again. Kindly like, share, and subscribe if you like our content.